In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a burn-up chart in Jira, an essential tool for tracking the progress of your projects effectively. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring you understand how to use this feature to its full potential. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira project. Once you're on the project page, you need to locate the top navigation bar where you'll find an option labeled Reports. Click on this to access a variety of project reports Jira offers. In this comprehensive selection, you will see an option for the burn-up chart. This is the report we'll be focusing on today, so go ahead and select that. The next step involves deciding how you want to measure your work. In Jira, you have a few options such as story points, issue count, or time estimates. Each of these metrics can be useful, so think about your current project's needs and what will provide the most insight for your team. Now, let's dive into how to read the burn-up chart. This is crucial to successfully interpreting the data it presents. You'll notice that the x-axis of the chart represents time. This could be measured in days or weeks, corresponding to your sprint timeline. Understanding that this is the progression of your project over time helps you visualize your pace and consistency. On the y-axis, you'll find it measures work done and the scope of work. Typically, this is shown in story points or issue count, depending on what you chose earlier. On the chart, you'll observe a green line which represents the work completed over time. This line gives you a clear view of your accomplishments and how quickly tasks are being completed as your project progresses. The chart also includes a red line that represents the total planned work. This line is vital as it showcases the original scope laid out for your project. Comparing the red line to the green line provides a visual representation of your project's current status. If your green line is nearing the red line, it means you are close to completing all planned work. If it's lagging significantly behind, then you might need to evaluate your team's pace or reconsider the remaining scope. By understanding these elements, you'll be capable of not only tracking your team's progress, but also making informed decisions that can impact the project outcome positively. This tool can greatly enhance your ability to manage expectations and help drive your team towards successful project completion. I hope this breakdown has helped you grasp how to create and understand a burn-up chart in Jira. It's a powerful tool for project management and can offer a clear insight into your project's progress and how closely you're sticking to your initial plan. Thank you for watching and happy charting.